Hello students, welcome to BDS Learn classes. Dear students, today in this video I am going to tell you about redox reaction, that is the first chapter of your second chemistry book. Okay, redox reaction. As name suggests, this word is consisted by following two reactions. Number one, reduction and oxidation. Okay, this is also all of you taught in previous class, that is in class 10th, but in this class it is in very explanatory form. Okay, there are something extra in this chapter, okay, comparatively class 10th. So let's see what are the redox reaction. So, students, we see one by one. First of all, I want to tell you about reduction and second is oxidation. So, let's see one by one, that is oxidation and reduction reaction. So, first is oxidation. Dear students, the addition of oxygen over electronegative element and removal of hydrogen over electropositive element is called as oxidation. Means what? ऑक्सीजन का जुड़ना अथवा किसी इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट का जुड़ना और हाइड्रोजन का निकल जाना या किसी इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट का निकल जाना क्या कहलाता है? रिडक्शन. सो यू कैन से दैट द एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन ओवर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट एंड रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन ओवर इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट इज कॉल्ड एज ऑक्सीडेशन. लेट्स बी सी, दिस इज द इक्वेशन. Oxygen is added to form CO2. So it is a oxidation. Why? Because oxygen is added. Addition of oxygen. It is a oxidation. Okay. Next is FeCl3 plus Cl2 is equal to 2FeCl3. Okay, FeCl2 plus Cl2 is equal to 2FeCl3. So you can see that this is a chlorine atom which is electronegative in nature. It added in this component form FeCl3. Okay, so in this reaction Cl2 is added, that is an electronegative element, and I told you the addition of oxygen or electronegative element called as oxidation. Okay, next is removal of hydrogen is also called as oxidation. So let's see. In this equation, you can see that when bromine is added with hydrogen sulfide, it forms hydrogen bromide and release H2. So, all of you see that from H2S, the hydrogen is removed. Okay, and form S. So it is also oxidation because hydrogen is released or removed. Okay, and you know that the removal of hydrogen is called as oxidation, or removal of electropositive element is also called as oxidation. So we have potassium iodide that undergo reaction with hydrogen peroxide, it form 2KOH plus I2. So you can see that from this compound K is removed from Ki and from I2. So it is also oxidation reaction because in this reaction K is removed. ओके, K क्या हो रहा है बेटा? रिमूव हो रहा है. तो आप देख रहे हो H2S Br2 undergo reaction with each other, they form 2HBr and releases S. So आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन निकल गया and removal of hydrogen called as oxidation. In next equation you can see that potassium is removed from the Ki and from KOH, so it is also a oxidation reaction. Okay, next is reduction reaction. Reduction reaction. Dear students, reduction reaction is just opposite to the oxidation. Dear students, in this reaction, addition of hydrogen or electropositive element and removal of oxygen or electronegative element takes place. ऐसी एक क्रिया जिसमें हाइड्रोजन जुड़े अथवा इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट जुड़े या ऑक्सीजन निकले अथवा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट निकले, उसे हम रिडक्शन रिएक्शन या अपचयन क्रिया कहेंगे. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल N2 plus 3H2 is equal to 2NH3. This is a reduction reaction. Why? Because this hydrogen is added in nitrogen and form ammonia gas. So in this equation, addition of hydrogen takes place. That symbolizes reduction reaction. Okay, next is addition of electropositive element. Okay, so we have stannum chloride that undergo reaction with mercurous chloride. Okay, and it form SnCl4 and mercurous chloride. So in this equation you can see that the mercury added. Okay, mercury added, mercury is a electropositive element that symbolize reduction reaction. Okay, and next is removal of oxygen from the compound is also called as reduction. You can see that zinc oxide react with carbon non-metal, it form carbon monoxide and zinc. So you can see that the oxygen from this zinc is removed to form carbon monoxide and metal is and we obtain a free zinc metal. So you can see that this oxygen is removed from zinc. That symbolize reduction, because you know that reduction of oxygen is sorry, removal of oxygen is called as reduction reaction. Okay, so simply you can see that when oxygen is removed or electronegative element is removed, then it is called as reduction reaction. Or hydrogen is added or electropositive element is added, then that symbolizes reduction reaction. Okay, so you know that oxidation and reduction reaction go side by side, means both are present simultaneously in some reactions. So you can see that this is a zinc oxide that I already told you, and this is a carbon monoxide and release zinc oxide. So you can see that the oxygen from this zinc oxide removed to form zinc, and carbon added in carbon and form carbon monoxide. And you know that the removal of oxygen is called as reduction, and addition of oxygen is called as oxidation. Okay, so you can say that oxidation and reduction go side by side. तो बेटा आप देख क्या रहे हो कि जिंक ऑक्साइड और कार्बन नॉन मेटल क्रिया करते हैं तो बनाते हैं कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड और जिंक. तो जिंक ऑक्साइड से जिंक रिलीज होकर के जिंक बनाता है, दैट सिम्बलाइज रिडक्शन reaction. Okay, and carbon react with oxygen and form carbon monoxide, that symbolize addition of oxygen, that is a oxidation. So you can say that oxidation and reduction go side by side. Okay, dear friends, in my next video I will teach you about oxidation and reduction based on electron transfer, that is a electronic concept of redox reaction. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.